the chemical reaction I'm going to be talking about is sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. And these are just two pictures of the chemicals that we use during the reaction. So, the introduction. Okay, so the experiment was performed to identify polyatomic ions and sparse ions in chemical reactions, and to see the effects catalysts have on chemical reactions. What is a double displacement reaction? It's basically what you. Oh, I don't know. Okay. A double displacement reaction is a type of reaction where part of one reactant is replaced by part of another reactant. Okay. So first thing we did was we prepared 50 milliliters of the 1.0 concentration, of solution of the hydrochloric acid, and we calculated the volume that we needed for the stock solution. And then we added 3 milliliters of the NaOH to a test tube. And then we added the 2 drops of the phenolphthalein. And then we slowly added the hydrochloric acid. And then once the color started to change, we stopped adding it. So phenolphthalein is just a colorless crystalline solid, or it's pink in an alkaline solution, and it's used it's an acid-base indicator, and the color usually changes when the pH is about 8. And that's just a picture of the phenolphthalein at different pHs. So this is the complete ionic equation. So as you can see, once the spectator ions are canceled out, all that's left is H2O, so no precipitate was formed. And then this is the equation that we used to find out how much hydrochloric acid we needed. So we divided the concentration final by the volume final, we divided that by the concentration initial, and then we got the volume initial, which was 1.0 liters or 10 milliliters of HCl. Okay, and then these are the results. So both sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid are clear, and the sodium hydroxide plus the phenolphthalein turned to a bright pink color. And then once the acid was slowly added, the color slowly went away.